Hey guys, welcome to a new property tour. We are here today in Mira Mesa and my name is Alex. I am with Realty. I'm a local agent here in San Diego and I'm going to show you what $1.2 million gets you here in San Diego. So let's go check it out. So the property is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath, and you don't get many this big size homes in the area. It is a 4-bedroom plus a 1-bedroom in the back, so I'll show you right now. As you walk in, you have the living area, the first area, which could be used for the kitchen, where you can eat dinner. And then when you come here, I really like how they did just the overall design of the property. Like for example, this feature, they didn't have to put this on, but it's really nice. And I think this is kind of like a greenish color. They did have the waterfall backsplash, which is really nice, very pretty. And these cabinets, I already played with them, but come here, let's show them. These cabinets, like this part over here, when you pull it out, it feels really nice. Yeah, it's a little noisy, that's okay, but it feels really nice because some of them are now very, what is it called? Like when you pull, it's very slippery. Slippery, yeah. So.
Oh, non-slip.
Yeah, non-slip. So this is basically a non-slip. All the cabinets are brand new. This stovetop is pretty nice, and I think it's more on the expensive side. Of course, they put, what is this called?
Paper towel holder.
That's not a paper, that's where the water comes out.
Oh, it's a faucet?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. This is this is for, I forgot what it's called in English, but this is where the water comes out. So like for example, you put it here, your
pot,
and then you need water, right, to do soap or something. So you just turn it on. I'm not gonna turn it on, but then you turn it on, and so you have to come from here to here. So it kind of like saves you a little bit of time. It's basically more in the fancier houses, but since it is renovated, it is really nice. And then the fridge, I'll show you that. When you know, I mean, when you see fridges, like for example, Samsung, all around cooling, this fridge is probably about $200 to $2,500. And when you see flippers, investors put that kind of stuff, appliances into the flip, that means that they put more money than the average investor on the rest of the property. So as you walk in to the living area, the floor, this property was completely flipped, so the floors are also brand new. It gives it a very warm and nice feeling. It's gonna rain here in San Diego tonight, so I would personally be able to see myself, if I lived here, put the Firestone on and then have the TV on, just watch a movie with my fiance, with the dog, just relax on the couch. It's very nice. And then also the lights, fixtures, that they just went a little bit more above average than the typical property, because I've seen some properties in Mira Mesa and they're not very nice, especially the ones that like were fixed up, but they put a little bit more money into this. They went above and beyond for the specific flip. Like the door, for example, I really like this. The color makes it pop with the floor and also with the exterior paint too, which is right here. These are just the little things that you put into the property to make it pop just a little bit more. And right now I'm going to show you all the other bedrooms. So right here, I'm going to show you the garage, which...
Ooh, the floor.
I know, the floor is really nice, right? They also clean out the garage. I think they put new floor in here too, like many paints. And then, of course, they cover it up a little bit. It's a 2-car garage. It's actually a pretty big 2-car garage. And then one thing I'll tell you guys, I saw the property in Mira Mesa not too long ago. All these cracks over here, from the spiders, all these cracks over here, my buyers got very, not upset, but very scared when they saw cracks on the concrete. And because these homes were built between the 60s and the 80s, it is completely fine. Concrete cracks every 5 to 10 years, so it's nothing too much to be worried about. Of course, make the inspection, but that's, especially in this area, I mean, you're on a mountain, so you got the washer and dryer hookups right here. And then I'll show you the other bedrooms. That's the first bedroom. Pretty spacious. You do get some sunlight through coming in. course, the typical fan or flip. And then the bathroom that will be shared by 3 bedrooms is this bathroom. It's not the biggest, but it did make whatever they could with the space that they had. So like, for example, they put the nicer touch lights, mirror, and of course the sink. This right here, I was kind of surprised. This is such a unique, I think this color, I've seen a lot of desks in people's bedrooms that they just put this behind to make it more like, you know, aesthetically pleasing. So they started doing it in the bathrooms too, which is really nice. Of course, you have the box right here, so you can put all of your shampoos and conditioners, which is really nice. And then that is 2 bedrooms. That's the 3rd bedroom. I mean, same thing. You got the closet over here and another decent sized bedroom. You do get some sunlight coming in. I'll show you another one. This is the 3rd so far that we have seen. I mean, pretty spacious, pretty big, especially if you have tons of kids. This is perfect. And then we're gonna see, before we see the master, I do want to show you this room. I don't know if it's permanent, but they converted this area. This is technically not a bedroom, even though they put it on the MLS that it is a bedroom. I mean, it really could be used as a bedroom or an office, but on the tax records it doesn't show as a bedroom. So I'm just really curious what it looked like before they renovated and just remodeled the property.
There's a step.
Yeah, I know there's a step. That's why when I came to the property, I literally fell and almost ate shit over there. Unbelievable. And I was gonna tell you, okay, tell Lynn not to fall right here.
But you didn't.
I forgot. I got too excited by the master. Come here, let me show you the master. So the master has a view of the backyard, which I'm gonna show you later. But the closet is pretty spacious. Not the biggest, but for this specific area, Mira Mesa, I mean, you have pretty much enough space for 2 adults. But the bathroom and the shower, look how much space you have. And of course, I did the same design throughout the house, like the other bathroom. You do have a lot of space in this bathroom, which is something that is very nice, and more homes have that kind of a feeling of in and out. It's very spacious. You have 2 sinks, which is, in my opinion, something that's is a must, especially for a family, if there's going to be 2 parents living here. Beautiful paint, big enough master. And then I'm going to show you guys the backyard.
Look, a little mini bar area.
I know, it's like a little bar, right? You guys want to have a party? I'm going to be the DJ for tonight. Okay, so I think the selling point of this house is the backyard. Listen how quiet it is. The only thing that you can hear is the birds. Some places in Mira Mesa you can hear the roads because it's pretty congested. There's a lot of cars driving around, but here it is very peaceful. I could literally see myself having my kids run around here, making some barbecue over here. It is real grass. You could potentially even play soccer with your kids. Maybe make it big enough of a pickleball court if you really wanted to. But just for the size comparison, I'm almost 6 feet, and this is what it looks like. And you do get the sun throughout the whole day on the property, so you do get that sunny home. We don't do that. No need to do that. And as I mentioned, you do get the sun throughout the whole day. So the sun is setting right now, but the living room, the master, and the other bedroom, they all get sun kind of throughout the whole day. It's very peaceful, very nice in here. That is the property tour here in Mira Mesa. I'm gonna put all the information and the description of the property down below with the listing agent information, if you are looking to move to Mira Mesa or anywhere in San Diego, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to be a resource for you. I'm gonna leave all my information down in the description. And yeah, this is a beautiful property. It's gonna be sold very soon.